Hello, everybody! Today for Sunday Funday, we're going to see how I draw a GhostBot. Just so you know, there's a coloring book that you can get through Amazon. Just follow the link in my description, and you can get a coloring book to show me how you color to how I draw. Okay, pencils first, and then Sharpies. So if you want to watch the pencil portion of the video where I sketch the entire thing out, look in the description, and you'll find a link that you can click on that will take you to the Sharpie portion of the video. I'll even include one for color. But for those of you that are going to stick around, I'm going to start off with a quick sketch for myself and get us going. This one's going to be super fast. It's Sunday. We got stuff to do. Let's go hang out. Let's go, ride our bikes and stuff like that. So, as much as I want you to be inside drawing and whatnot, we're going to make this one fast. And the idea is, well, exactly that. Is the ghost of a robot. But not really a robot, almost like a computer. But GhostPuter didn't sound as good as GhostBot. So that's what I went with, GhostBot. So I kind of thought of the idea of like, if he's robotic, then he's going to have like digital parts, right? But they're kind of floating, almost kind of not real. So that's the idea. And also a majority of it we're going to do with color. Like I want him to have like a monitor face, like a digital monitor face, and I think it would look better if I do it with color instead of a Sharpie. So I'm not going to make a face. That face you're going to see when I do with color. So that'll be at the very end. But if nothing else, I just felt like, let's make something robotic and ghostly coming at you kind of thing, right? And then we're going to give him a tail like a wall plugin. Right, that might be it right there. I mean, there's not too much more I really need to do because, like I said, I want it to be kind of ghostly and floating. Yeah, that's it. Again, this is going to be simple. This may be like a quick 5-minute drawing, but again, sometimes that's how it is. I just got an idea, just got to go with it. So, let me erase the sketch lines, but the sketch kind of worked. It's not much I really need to erase. But I want my Sharpie to stand out ultimately, so I'm going to keep it simple. So there you go. I say we welcome everybody that skipped and get going. Welcome, skippers. Welcome to the Sharpie portion of the video. Don't forget to like and subscribe because I do a different drawing every day. You can join along and have some fun. I'm going to be using a Sharpie fine point and a Sharpie pen. Mostly the fine point, but a pen's a little finer than the fine point. You can find things that a fine point can't quite find. I've sketched the entire thing out. I've erased the majority of my sketch lines, but left myself enough to see where we're going to go. And if you want to see more Sunday Funday, check out that playlist right there. Or if not, just check out the playlist in general, because I do so many drawings that I may have already drawn what you're looking for. So check them out. If not, give me a shout, and I'll see what I can do about requests. Okay? So I've already described why it is what it is. If you want to know, go back to the sketch portion. If not, I'm just going to keep going. So I'm going to go ahead and start off with the outline, and it's going to be super simple today. And I'm a better puller than I am anything else, so that's why I'm kind of playing with a pulling stroke. Yeah, just to get that feel. You can do this. You're more than welcome to. That's moving with your elbow. But I'm doing this again to move with my elbow, but just to keep it flowing. Like it's not using my wrist, I guess is what I'm saying. Same thing here, that's the elbow. So I'm gonna pull it down, see if I can do it like that. So I guess it works either way. I'm just trying different things out, you know, seeing what works for me. But this will be a fast one today, so you can get out there and go get on your bikes and ride and do whatever you want. Maybe do some more drawings if you like, but I just felt like, you know what, let's do some kind of ghostish, robotish GhostBot. That's the idea, you know, just like a robot ghost. Again, I've already described it. No need for me to go over it and do it again. Let me do the monitor, and I've already talked about this in the sketch. I'm not going to do anything to that monitor besides draw this. I'm going to do that with color, but I want it subtle, so I'm just going to kind of follow the outline there, just to try to keep that shape going. There, something like that. Not bad. But I want to keep it simple and subtle and let color take care of what's inside there. Hey, since I've got this, let's go ahead and draw his little tail. Again, I wanted to keep it simple and subtle rather than draw a big thick line like that. And then let's draw like a little grounded adapter, a grounded prong. The other one is right behind it like that. I know that's very long for a plug-in, but I get to do what I want. Okay, yeah, I'm going to thicken it up. I'm testing it out to see how it looks, if I should thicken it up just a little bit, and I liked it, so I'm going to do that. I'm going to thicken it up just a hair. You don't have to if you don't want to, especially if you're working with pencil. It might look a little strange doubling up your lines. I'm just explaining to you why I draw how I draw. There you go. Got a little thick there, but that's okay. I'm fine with that. So again, his ghostly arms, I want them kind of attached and not attached, so I'm going to kind of do some kind of like that. Well, you saw the sketch, or you saw the final product. You know where we're going with this. Right? Some kind of ghostly floating who knows what. That's also kind of the nice thing, is like, you know, there's no rule as to what it is we're supposed to be drawing. You know what I mean? Like, I can leave it like that, you know, and just say, yeah, he's only got 3 fingers. Let's do that. Let's leave him with 3 fingers. And almost kind of like a signal out type kind of thing is what we're doing with that one, you know, just to show some kind of, I want to say robotic, but some kind of digital ghost type kind of thing. And so see, that's it. That's all we got to do. Something simple. Just to define what we want to define. And I'm just keeping it that simple, that crazy, that, you know, who knows what's going on here. Because there's no such thing as robot ghosts. There's no such thing as ghosts. But, you know, that's a story for a different time. I'm not saying I'm not scared of them. But, you know. There, it's some kind of crazy hand thing. We don't even know what that is, right? But I do want to break it up just a little bit with a little bit smaller, like, thinner lines, just to break up the monotony of those thick lines, you know. Something like that. So there you go. I say we take care of the rest with color. So that, for Sunday Fun Day, that is a GhostBot. So here's how I colored it. Tell me what you think in the comments below, or show me what you did in our Discord group. Just have fun and make it your own, because remember, this is how I draw. You draw how you draw, and we'll meet somewhere in between. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe for more adventures with How I Draw. Plus, don't forget to hit that notification button for new videos.